Start streaming. Alright, looks like we're live. So today we're going to be working on yet another MacBook. This is an 820-3437 board inside of an A1466 MacBook Air. So let's just take a look at what's going on with this MacBook. First thing we're going to do is make sure we have the battery unplugged. Again, always when working on these machines, we have the battery unplugged. The reason for it is when I want to see how many amps the machine is taking when I plug the MagSafe in. I only want to know how much power the board is taking, not the variable amount of power that will be taken by the battery depending on how charged it is. So it looks like it's taking a good old 0 amps, and I do have this thing plugged in, and I am not getting any green light on my charger, as can be seen here. If I turn off the microscope light, there is no light on the charger. So we're just going to check the voltage at a couple of points here. So the first thing I'm going to do is see what my PIPA3V42 is, and we got 3.42 volts, and my PIPI bus. So my PIPI bus is 8.1 volts, not 8.5 volts. Now, as you know, the PIPI bus is going to be a lower voltage when the SMC is not turning on. And the SMC could not be turning on because the reset signal could be stuck down, or it could be an SMC that needs to be replaced. Hi, Paul. SMC replace? Oh, fine. So we're just going to take a look around this board and try and figure out why SMC reset is low. So there's two possible points that could be an issue here. The first could be the chip that's told to pull SMC reset down for the first, I would say, the first quarter of a second that the machine turns on. And the next issue could be something relating to the pull-up resistor that pulls that signal up. It's one or the other. So let's try and see which it is by just taking a look at the board under the good old microscope camera. All right, so we're just going to get this board out the case. We can take a look-see here and see what's going on at our SMC reset circuit. So if we just take a look at the board right by here, this is the SMC reset area. Now this chip could potentially be bad, but it's not like the ends of the world kind of thing. It's not the prettiest chip, but again, it's not something that I'm going to be mad at. No big deal. So I think this may be fine. Now we're just going to take a look at the board around the SMC area over... Yeah. Take a look at the... I'm guessing those eggs belong to you. Oh.
Herc. Yum.
Is that... Are those eggs or is that shit?
I don't know. It might be both. It might be debris of another cockroach.
Oh,
Those
that's
are
a leg.
Those are legs, yeah. These things got mutilated in here.
Wait, so how'd they all get killed?
I don't know.
It's the MacBook Air of defense
it's a
systems?
cockroach war and the strongest one survived.
Is that a head or a piece of a...
I don't know. I don't want to know.
Yeah, this is where most of the cockroach pieces are. Or whatever.
Wait, are they in the port on the side? No, right?
No, I imagine
No,
that's where they got
just
in
to the
from.
back, right? There's like pieces of other cockroaches there. I feel like this was like a thunder demonstration. Many cockroach enter, one cockroach leaves.
Look, that looks like a leg right there.
Everybody else sacrificed to the fan gods.
Look, that looks like a leg. That was once probably a leg.
This is our reset here. Yeah. Yum.
Well, this sounds like a board for Paul. Yeah. Hmm? He ran out of the store with short sleeves while it's snowing.
You don't want to get sick again. We got rid of that virus already.
He ran out the door. He has short sleeves on right now while it's snowing and he's outside. I think we lost him.
Where are you going to find another Paul?
Well, as I said, we are looking for a new employee in that last video that I did, so we're looking for somebody who can do board level rework, and this is the type of beautiful stuff that you'll be working on if you decide to take us up on that job offer. So don't delay. Email help@rossmangroup.com to apply for a job today. Paul? Board? Board? Board?
It's stuck.
Your gun's jammed.
Oh,
You shot the bug off of the board. Orhan, move.
yeah, you're getting caught in. I got. There's salt in my mouth.
Paul, why won't you fix the board? Paul, it's an easy one. It's just one resistor. All you got to do is dig under all of those eggs and get to SMC reset resistor. It's one signal.
It really is.
You don't even have to view that side of the board. You could run that jumper on the other side. Okay, you know what? Fine. I'm going to show you all how if you get a board that's covered in eggs, how you can fix it without having to even go to that side of the board. Because the day's going to come in your career where you're working on a board that just so happens to be covered in road checks because your customer base may be filthy and disgusting. Like this one, for instance. So we are going to show you how it is you can fix this board without having to take it out of the case, without even having to turn it around. We're going to fix this board and get it a green light right now, and I'm going to show you how we do it. So let's just dive in. Now, and prove once and for all that it's not me, but Paul that cherry picks the easy boards for himself. So I'm going to open up a schematic for the 820. You've got this rumor going around that I picked the easy boards for myself. So check this out. This is a way that you could fix this machine without even taking it out of the case. So our issue is that SMC reset is not high. This signal is low as a result of the resistor being covered in a bunch of spider, roach, bedbug eggs, whatever the hell that is. I'm not an entomologist. I don't really know. I'm not Gil Grissom. But check this out. We need PP3V42 and we need SMC reset L. So if we go to the other side of the board here, what you'll notice is that we have those two signals, and they just so happen to be very close to each other on U5110. So we can attach ourselves a 100 kilo ohm resistor to SMC reset L over here, and then run a little wire from PP3V42, which is going to be present right over here. So we're just going to go from PP3V42 Actually, on pin 1 to pin 5, and that signal is going to be pulled up by a 100 kilo ohm resistor. So all I need now is a 100 kilo ohm resistor. Let's see, we have a 100 kilo ohm resistor on 201 size.
201?
Mm-hmm. All right. The most difficult boards here. And I leave the easy ones for Paul and Camille, because I'm such a benevolent employer. Alrighty, so all we're going to do over here is we get some good old leaded solder going over all these points. See, there's no eggs on this side of the board, which makes it easier to work, because there's no eggs. Paul, you like eggs, right? You're not a vegan. Paul, would you eat these eggs?
No.
Why not?
They're not healthy for you.
How do you know that, if you've never tried them?
Well, yeah, send me those videos. Because I think anybody who's ever tried them is not around.
Alright. When this board gets a green light, just you wait. Just you wait. I'm going to get this a green light, and I'm going to keep all those eggs there. Huh?
Why is everybody saying Mike? Mike plug, Mike?
I don't fucking know.
It's scratching around.
Probably.
Where's the farm?
Are you kidding me? You're not going to attempt to repair that board and leave all that shit on the other side. Are you going to touch those eggs? Are you going to try to hatch those dragons? I watch Game of Thrones. I know what happens when you hatch dragons. Nah, bro. That's not for me. I'm not hatching them dragons. Alright, so... Alright, we're just going to slide that resistor in there. Yes, I know NPR. It's a pain in the ass to edit Twitch. You can't do it from within the Restream interface. I hate having to edit the game by logging into Twitch. It drives me nuts. I'm fixing that board without removing. I'm going to do it without removing the eggs. Just... It's set to face focus.
Focus, asshole.
I have to turn face detect off. There we go.
There you go.
Wow. Much coin. How money? So crypto. Currency, wow. Do I have, how many of those do I have? If I have enough of those, I won't have to fix the egg board. Paul's just...
Look at this crap. One bathroom for all these employees.
I know, right?
You
What
get
is
a
this,
line
CSAT?
for the bathroom.
That's because you all go at the same time. You
Line forming for the bathroom? Come on. Mom?
You gotta queue up.
stop all going to the bathroom at the same time.
You need to take a number thing for the bathroom.
Go, but... No. Go. I'll just wash my hands there.
Alright, so you're like...
All right, we're just going to put this right here.
They put my email so that my dad doesn't get any parents teacher conference things to or anything about their back grades or anything about them skipping class.
Oh, so... Yeah, so check that. Those slides. And that basically... like, legitimately...
How to do the SAT?
Not even...
Or just in general?
Just in general, how to even start.
Okay, so now SMC Reset L is going to be pulled up, and we do not have to look at the side of the board that's covered in eggs. Once I'm done with this wire, we're going to have a green light, And then we put this in Kevin's status for reassembly. By the way, our front desk gentleman tomorrow is going to be live streaming his first ever board repair. This is going to be some good stuff. Hopefully you all will be a good sport with him, as I plan to be. All right, one. Let's see if this thing gives a light.
You're a Chino? Lies.
This. Okay. Let's plug you in. And let's see what we get. All right, as you can see, we now have a light on the charger. Just zoom in so that that's more visible. There we go. See that? That is an orange light, and that is the fan spinning. This is a 3437, so it's going to turn on, off, on, off, on, off, on. That's totally normal. But as you can see, the light is on, and this board is fixed. So, would you like to return to your queue? These batteries are causing my microphone to reboot. As you can see, Paul picks all the easy ones for himself. I get stuck, you know, like spider eggs, Lewis. Hole in the board, Lewis. What's that? Get that away from me. So that's it for today. And as always, I hope you learned something. And as you can see, this is a nice and pretty board. Look at that, look at this. Oh yeah. Look, I fixed it. It has fan spin and light.
What'd you do?
I didn't want to touch that side of the board, so I put the SMC reset resistor over here instead. I ain't touching those eggs. I'm not hatching that shit.
You send them back with those eggs? Good one, though. Good one.
Depends who you ask, Connor. I do it for the former. He thinks it's for the latter. All right. So that's it for today. And as always, I hope you learned something.